TT parts rebuilding and product update. 58, 59, 60 Cadillac Power Antennas manufactured by Pioneer. Our problem is the Heintze sheet metal motors and the HECO hot metal motors rot out due to the location of the power antenna inside the inner fender well. Moisture attacks the sheet metal and the pot metal corrodes. Solution at the time was to undercoat the motors, but the problem still persisted. Since the power antenna units themselves are basically in good shape, it's only the motors. Original motors are almost impossible to find. When you do find them, they'll be in this kind of condition. Maybe not as bad as this one, but they're going to be non-rebuildable. Something that used to look like this Heintze motor ends up looking like this. So, come up with a solution. We're replacing the sheet metal Heintze and the pot metal HECO motors with our own design. TT parts rebuilding are designed for the replacement motor. The original motors had an outside diameter of about 2.5 inches. Actually be able to design a motor. It's actually a smaller diameter, just about 2 inches, about a ½ inch smaller than the OEM. So no problem fitting that way. And lengthwise, you see that these are about 3 inches, a little over 3 inches, and we're able to maintain that same dimension. Also, we've equipped the new motor design with the OEM style connector. It's plug and play. You'll be able to control the antenna up movement and down movement using the existing knob in the radio. We're going to demonstrate how this works in the next segment. Bench testing a replacement motor for 58, 59, 60 Cadillac and other models using the Pioneer power antenna equipped with either the Heintze or HECO 12-volt motor. During the run-up test, we're going to be using the OEM radio to control the mast extending and retraction. In this shot now, we see we have our TT parts rebuilding replacement motor for the HECO and the Heintze 12-volt motor. And reposition the camera so we can get a good look at the antenna retraction and extension. Okay, test number 1, mast extended. Test number 2, mast retracted. Again, test number 1, mast extended. And test number 2, mast retracted. Perfect. Test number 1, mast extended. Test number 2, mast retracted. Test number 1, mast extended. Test number 2, mast retracted.